this is Harry from Henan London. So today I am in our factory workshop. So I want to show you our workshop processing. So this is the assembling side. Here our workers are very much busy to assemble our all product. So you can show here. This is very much important information for you that we are very good supplier all over the world. So you can trust us and you can get your required product from us. We are a very big supplier from China. And this Henan Longfan is a very good reputed company all over the world, and a competitor. We provide a competitive price and very good quality. So this is our for assembly side. This side we have also our technician. Engineer inside, and this side after they are complete their assembling, they are stored in here, and after that we are ready to test our product. This another department. Please, I want to show this testing department laboratory. Please come. This is our laboratory. Here, after assembling, we are take our product this room, and we are test quality according to the requirement, customer requirement. We are try to meet 100%. And before we shipment, we always must check our quality by this quality control team. You can see this is our testing process right now. After testing finish, then we can ship it. There have another 3 machines also under testing. So when this testing will be finished and meet the required, then we can ship it. Otherwise, we didn't ship this product because our customer priority is always first, and we always ensure our quality. Then we ship it. So thank you. You always you can keep trust us and send us your order. Thank you. Testing laboratory. Then we go the outside, and after here we are going this room. This is our packaging department. You can see this is our packaging area. So here all are into our product in packaging. So this is always we are safety first. Safety. Then box. Then we can pack it. After packaging, this is our final output. By this wooden box, we are shipped to our destination. Thank you. Watching to our video. If you want to know about more details, please feel free contact with us. We are always available in Alibaba, in Facebook, in WhatsApp, and in our email and website as well. Please continue to follow us, and if you have any question, let us know. Thank you.